Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me is the Nasdaq 100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, if you would like to open an account on our new trading platform that you can see in front of you, you can do so simply by clicking on the link at the top of this video's description. But back to the Nasdaq 100 future market. So we're currently trading down at 14,672. We have all-time highs that we achieved 3 days ago, up at roughly 14,850. I'm not going to be placing any trades here for the Nasdaq 100 for now. Why? Well, because we're very high. I don't really want to give into FOMO and dedicate money from my account at these high levels, because if we did pull back towards the 50-day EMA, which is definitely easily possible, then I would be in a bit of trouble. And as well as that, it is Friday. We had a very negative trading day yesterday. At one point, we were trading down nearly minus 2%. And as the old saying goes, don't catch a falling knife going into the weekend. So I chose to steer clear of the markets for today's trading session. And I'm glad I did so, because we are, pretty much flat, so not much volatility at all. So I'm going to continue to sit on the sidelines here for the Nasdaq 100. My account is currently down 18% since I started this challenge 2.5 weeks ago. Remember, I started with that $10,000 balance, and I'm currently minus 1,800, so down 18%. But we've had a good trading day today in the other instruments that I do trade. We're up $406, so we're clawing back ever so slightly some of our losses. But I'm very confident going into the latter end of 2021 that we will be trading in significant amounts of profit. So, I really am just waiting for that perfect buying opportunity here in the Nasdaq 100. You'd have heard me say previously that I don't typically sell the US indices because they're just so strong, and I think you just have to zoom out on the chart for a long run to understand why I do not sell the indices. Yes, occasions like this do occur when the markets pull back 10, 20, even 30% like we saw last year, but these are very difficult times to forecast in the markets, and you're much better off just buying the dips and just finding value, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So what I'm looking for is to take advantage of a dip like this. For example, if we do get a 5 or 10% correction here, which I personally believe is needed. I think that we've become a little bit frothy up at the high levels here. So we got that pullback down towards the 50-day EMA. I would take advantage of it and buy up towards 15,000 all day long. So that's what I'm waiting for here for the Nasdaq 100. But for now, I am on the sidelines.